Build a stable and rewarding career with County Materials. Our industry-leading team manufactures and delivers concrete construction and landscape products. Our team members' commitment to producing quality concrete and providing unmatched service has earned the trust of construction professionals. Our products are used to build essential infrastructure, such as stormwater management systems, bridges, hospitals, schools, and homes. We provide hands-on training for all positions to ensure team members feel confident on the job. By constantly investing in new technology and machinery, we help communities build safe, reliable, and durable buildings and infrastructure with the most advanced construction techniques and materials. County Materials offers competitive wages, great benefits, and opportunities for growth and relocation. Together, we're building a company that hard-working people are proud to work for, live near, and do business with since 1946.